Hello my lovelies. Today what I'm going to do is going to be a little different, but not so different that it'll be jarring or anything. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox my two new, my Fashionista and my Pop Star Girl. And I'm going to go over them. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash their hair, let it dry, so it'll be nicer, because I already took them out of the box just so that I could omit that step for the video, so it'll be shorter. And I want to go over them, but I already know that their hair isn't how I want it, so I'm just going to let you guys know what I think first, and then I'm going to fix the hair the way I want it, and then show you guys in this video. And I'm also, once I split the video and do the hair part, I'm going to dress a bunch of the dolls in all of my fashions that I had for you guys for the one video, my last fashion haul. I'm going to do a little fashion show. So yay, fashions. So without any more talking, I'm going to let you guys see. Here's my Pop Star Girl. You guys have probably already seen her in reviews and whatnot. She's really, really pretty. I really love the hair. Like, I'm in love with this hair. It's just, I can feel it. It kind of has a stickiness to it. I'm not sure. It doesn't feel the same as glue seepage to me. Does it? It just feels tacky. I don't know. And see how piecey and stringy it looks? Like, I don't want it to look like that. I want it to look smooth and pretty, like this girl's hair. So I know that if I wash it and give it a little slight treatment, because it doesn't need any conditioning, it just needs washing. So I'm planning to do that on her. But anyway, I have to say, I don't know what this skirt is made out of. I don't know what kind of material this is, but I really love it. I really do. It doesn't feel cheapy like some of the fabrics can that are like this, that feel papery. It feels more fabricy. It's softer. See how it moves? So I really, really like that. You guys, if you've been watching my videos, you know me. I would prefer something besides this god-awful Velcro. I wish there was. Now, this Velcro, I do have to say, is nicer. And it doesn't pill as much. And they did do better. But, some of the, like this on the Sparkle Girl outfits, like this one, this really thick Velcro, I cannot stand that. It's so thick. And even though, see, look, when you push it down, it still kind of just sticks out. So, anyway, the Velcro on this is really nice. I do really like the skirt. I love the top. And y'all can tell me if you know, is she a tall? I've been wanting a tall Barbie. I've been wanting to have at least one of every style so that I can make outfits to fit them. And I thought she was a tall. I mean, I don't know. I guess not, because these are almost the same height. Or maybe she's a tall too. I have no idea. So somebody let me know, please. Because like I said, I have been wanting a tall one. But I can't wait to wash her hair and see how much better it looks, because I just really, really love it. And just look at that. She's gorgeous. She really is. At least I think so. I really love her. I love her light pink lip, and that she doesn't have a lot of makeup on, if any at all. And that her eyes are just kind of a light brown with this gorgeous hair. I don't know, I didn't think I would like the outfit as much as I do, but I actually kind of do. I'm definitely gonna, probably put something else on her eventually. But for now, I'm gonna definitely leave her like this. I absolutely 100% love these shoes. Why don't they make these shoes in multiple colors and put them in fashion packs for us? I have no idea. Really, people, you already have the molds. You already have, the licensings to it, and you already make, shoe packs. Just make us some of these. Come on. You guys know how I am about the shoes. Here's the little, mic stand. It comes apart here. Like I said, I'm sure that lots of people have already seen this, and it comes apart here. It is really cute. I like that they actually did add some details. That there's, I don't know how well you can see that. Yeah, you can see the little bumplies on the stick part, and that they made this part silver and have little cool stuff. So I mean, I think Sorry, I think my light bulb's acting weird. It's like flashes. I think they did a good job. And I did want to say, I forgot to say before, that I did find one of her that I liked at another store. It was a Target. And the only reason I didn't pick it up is because the dolls at Target cost more. They're like $7.94 for this doll at Walmart. And at Target, they're like almost $10 for the same doll. So the one time, besides this time, that I found one that I actually liked, it was more money. So that's why I'd never bought it before. I did want to say that. Back of the box, I think I've gone over this before. I have her. And now I have her. I'm curious about her. I'd like to see her in person. I don't know that I have yet. But I do like her on the box. Let's see. And we've talked about her. I almost bought her when I bought this girl and the pop star girl. But again, it was just, I don't know. There's just something. Every time I go to get her, I stop. So I don't know. But anyway, here's this cute girl before I go on forever. Same thing with her. Like, I really do love her hair. And I did run my fingers through it and pick it apart, you know, and make it more, because it was all kind of like clumped together. Box hair kind of thing. But I think because she has curls, that her hair would do good from a wash too. I mean, it's super soft. It feels amazing. It's so soft and just curly, fluffy, but not fuzzy. It's really, really pretty. I love this hair. And I don't know if every one will be like this, but mine is. And I'm glad because I love it. And then here, let me get in. Look at this face. I mean, it's not my favorite face sculpt by any means, but just like the way it's done with the dark hair and the blue eyes and the freckles. And I really like the like soft mauvey lip. It's just it's all very pleasing to me as a collector. I really, really like the diversity of her and her freckles and her big blue eyes and her big eyebrows too. I like that she has kind of big eyebrows. And I'm not a fan of big eyebrows, like usually. But on her, it works for some reason, and I don't know why, but I really do like it. I put the shoes back on her that I borrowed for the other doll because I didn't want this poor girl, you know, to be shoeless, but I didn't put her bracelet back on. She had a little, like, gold bracelet. Well, it was actually yellow, but I said gold, whatever. And I took that and put it on the other doll. Now, her outfit, the material is really, really nice, and I think the idea is cute, and I do like it. But this is not going to be her permanent outfit. I will tell you that right now. This is probably going to go on like one of my cute little skippers because it's small. And I think, let's see, I do have one right here. You know, I think this kind of skipper body, this older one, this is the only one I really kind of collect, would look cute with this little dress on. So I'm going to do that. I'm probably going to give her a different outfit eventually and put like this outfit on a skipper because I think it's more, I don't know, skippery looking to me. I think it's cute though. I do like, it's really nice material and it's sewn well and everything. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't hate it by any means. It's not my favorite either, but I really do like it, you know. And like I said, I'm going to put it on a skipper or something. I'll figure it out, you know, in time, baby steps, like we say. I just really, really like her. I think she's great. I think they're both great. But see why I kind of thought this one might be a tall because of how little this one is compared to her? You know, I know she has flats and she has heels, but still, you know, the height. So I wasn't sure. I'm probably wrong. I never get that stuff right, but it doesn't bother me. I just, you know, I try. I'm going to take these girls and I'm going to give them a little washy wash on their hair and let them dry. So that'll take a minute. And then when I come back in, I'm going to show what they look like with their hair newly washed. And then I'll show you like all the fashions that I got, like the Barbie, the Hello Kitty ones and everything. All those, and the little shirt. And then like the little accessories that I got, the little Catterday stuff, you know, all that good stuff. I'm going to put those on some dolls and give you guys a little fashion show. So hang on for that. Okay, I have washed the girls' hair so they don't have box hair anymore. I'm going to show you that real quick. here is the pop star girl. I was going to dress him in different outfits, but I tried, you know, because I'm going to have the fashion show in with this too. I tried different outfits on her and just didn't like them. Like, I liked her original outfit the best. Here she is. She looks so much better to me. Like, tons. The hair looks gorgeous. And all I did literally was wash it in like lukewarm tap water with my Ajax. I didn't put any conditioner in it or anything. I didn't like brush it. I just washed it. And then I brushed it after, like, you know, when it was wet so that it would dry nice. But there's her. She looks so much better. That's what I mean when I say that I'm going to get rid of the box hair on my dolls. If anybody's wondering, that's what I do. I just wash it. Like, sometimes I'll put conditioner in it if I think it needs it. But most of the time it just needs a washing to fluff it. She's so stunning. I love her. And she looks so much better to me without the box hair. I don't know if anybody else can tell but me, but I can definitely tell. Now, this second girl, I traded her outfit because I wasn't crazy about her outfit, but I didn't hate it. And I was going to do a fashion show anyway. So here's my first little outfit, plus, you know, my fashionista. Let's see, what number was she? 137. I washed her hair, gave her less box hair, and put her in this cute little outfit. Like, her hair looks so much better to me. It's all silky and just curly. Like, look at all the little ringlet curls. They're so shiny and pretty. And I did the same thing to her that I did to the other one. Just washed it, you know, in my Ajax. And her, I didn't brush. I just took and like ran my fingers through her hair because it's curly. I didn't want to brush all the curls out and make them fuzzy. So there's her hair. So much better to me. I just love it. Now the outfit, I knew I loved this outfit already, so it wasn't like, oh goodness, I love it on her. I just love the outfit. I will say, I was trying to figure out where to hold her from so you guys can see. There we go. I guess down here. I don't know if anybody else can see, but the collar is off. That bugs me so much. I don't know why stuff like that bugs me, but it does. But I guess I'll just have to live with it because it is put together correctly at the back. What I might end up doing is maybe like cut this a little so it's not so obvious how off this is. You know, the angles, I don't know. That bugs me. But otherwise, I love the little outfit. I think these are the right glasses that came with it. They might not be. I might have switched them for one of the other ones, but I just think this is really, really cute on her. And it looked really cute with her shoes that she originally came with. So I'm going to keep her like this for now, but I don't know if this is my like favorite outfit, but it is really cute on her to me, and I do really like it, other than like the top of the collar being, you know, offset or cut funny or whatever it is. Okay, I know I said that I was going to do the fashion show in this video, but I already filmed that part, and it was long because I had, let's see, 9 dolls besides these two to go over, and it was like 30 some odd minutes on its own, and I knew even with trimming it down it would make this video like a 40-minute video because the first part of this video is like 10 minutes, so I didn't want to do that to y'all. So what I decided to do is cut it up into 2 parts. I don't think you'll be mad at me for that. I hope not, at least. Fingers crossed. So I'm going to close here, and what I'm going to do is say goodbye to you guys, and then I'm going to edit the other half, the fashion show part, and then, you know, upload that one separate. That's all. You know, you'll still get to watch both, but it'll be more, like, complete. It won't be so, like, all mushed together into one video where it's like 40 minutes. I don't want you guys to have to sit around for 40 minutes to watch one video. So I know if I take the part where I did the clothing and, you know, trim it down, it should be about 20 minutes or so. And then this video will be about, like, 15, I think. So that's more reasonable. I just didn't want to do a close to 40-minute video for you guys for, you know, just an unboxing and review and the little hair thing I did and then like fashions. So that's all. I just wanted to explain because I was going to just cut it off and then do a voiceover, and I thought, oh, I hate when I have to do that. I only did it one other time, but I just didn't really care for it. So I came back in to film and let you guys know what's going on. So I reset my stuff and just put these two girls here so you guys can know. See, these girls are, you know, they're super cute. Like, I love her hair. It's so fluffy and pretty now and not boxed haired. And I can't wait to do all my Wild Hearts Crew girls, like, you know, fix all their hair. I did already take out all the stays though, you guys. Like, it took me like a good 20 minutes to get all the stays out of the Wild Hearts Crew head. So yeah, that was no fun getting all those out of the heads. There were so many of them, and I was gonna take like a picture after I did like all the little stays. Like, I had like a handful of them, but you know, I was like, I don't need to do all that. But I just thought you guys would think that was funny in a doll collector kind of way. Like, you understand the weirdness that we have to go through to get our dolls the way we want them. But anyway, that's basically it for this part. I will be, you know, editing the other part today, and I will try to put it up today so that you can watch both pieces if you like. But if not, it'll go up tomorrow morning. And then that way you guys will have a little dolly fun for the weekend. So I hope you enjoyed it. Big love. Take care. Have a great dolly day. And I will definitely see you soon because there's part 2 to this video and all kinds of other goodness that I have in store for you guys. So take care. Bye now.